Let's set up a load balancer using Cleavr that's going to manage traffic to a website across a couple servers. I already have my server set up here, so the first step is to add a site to each server. Now we have a site on both servers. Let's go back to our server page and click on Provision New Server. For the server type, you want to make sure that you scroll down and click on Load Balancer. The new Load Balancer server has completed provisioning, so let's click on that. And then the first thing that we'll do is add a setup balancing site. Now that the load balance site has been created, we're going to link up our servers. Alright, and now that you can see, after it updated, it added App Server 1 and App Server 2, and it also included the NUC sites that we put on each of the servers. Alright, now that we have the load balancer set up at a high level, let's go ahead and deploy out the application. Okay, the app deployed, and we could see some ping results coming in from different locations with a 200 code, which means the application successfully deployed. Let's go back to the server section and then click on Load Balancer again, and we'll just pop this out and take a look at the site. Alright, so this is the one I added, and I'm going to close these two tabs real quick. And we see that we landed on App Server 2, and if I refresh the page, we can see that now we're on App Server 1, and if I refresh again, App Server 2, App Server 1, App Server 2. So it's bouncing back between App Server 1 and App Server 2. If you want to make the session a little more sticky and stick to the same server, easy enough, just go back to the load balancer and then click on Actions, Configure Bouncer. The default selection is round robin, where we see it bouncing between the different servers. Or to be more sticky, you could either select Source, or you could also enable the sticky sessions, which is going to drop a session cookie, and then the load balancer will see that and then keep it on the same server. So let's select this option and then click on Update. Let's go back to this tab, and now since we're on App Server 2, if I click on Refresh, it looks like we bounced to App Server 1, but then as I keep refreshing it, we can see that we're sticking on App Server 1. And that's a quick and easy way to create a load balance server and deploy out your multi-server application.